freedom is never really won. You earn it and win it in every generation. These words, spoken with the wisdom of experience, resonate deeply with the story of Black history, a testament to the enduring human spirit in the face of unimaginable adversity. Black history is a tapestry woven with threads of pain, resilience, and triumph. It's a story of a people forcibly removed from their homeland, stripped of their identities, and subjected to centuries of brutal oppression. Yet from the depths of this struggle rose a symphony of resistance, whispers of hope echoing through generations. This is the legacy we inherit, a legacy of courage, determination, and an unwavering belief in the fundamental right to freedom. The transatlantic slave trade marked the beginning of a dark chapter in human history. Millions of Africans were torn from their families, shackled and transported across the ocean under horrific conditions. Stripped of their names, their languages, their cultures, they were thrust into the dehumanizing system of chattel slavery. For centuries, the institution of slavery cast a long shadow over the lives of Black people. They endured forced labor, brutal punishments, and the constant denial of their basic human rights. Families were torn apart, their spirits crushed under the weight of oppression. But even in the face of such inhumanity, the flame of resistance never died. From the Underground Railroads to acts of quiet rebellion, Black people fought back, holding on to their dignity and their dreams of freedom. Throughout history, extraordinary individuals rose from the ashes of oppression, igniting the path towards liberation. Harriet Tubman, a conductor on the Underground Railroad, risked her life repeatedly to guide others to freedom. Frederick Douglass, a powerful orator and abolitionist, eloquently exposed the horrors of slavery and advocated tirelessly for equality. Martin Luther King Jr., with his message of non-violent resistance, challenged a nation to confront its conscience and embrace the ideals of justice and equality for all. These leaders, along with countless others whose names may be lost to history but whose sacrifices continue to inspire, serve as powerful reminders of the indomitable human spirit. They remind us that even in the darkest of times, courage can bloom, and hope can light the way towards a brighter future. The fight for freedom and equality is an ongoing journey, a relay race where each generation carries the torch forward. While we celebrate the victories won, the abolition of slavery, the Civil Rights Act, the Voting Rights Act, we recognize that the struggle is far from over. Systemic racism continues to permeate our institutions, impacting every aspect of Black lives. We see it in the disparities in education, healthcare, housing, and the criminal justice system. We see it in the everyday microaggressions and the subtle ways bias continues to shape our society. The echoes of freedom must continue to reverberate in our hearts and actions. We must honor the sacrifices of those who came before us by continuing to dismantle systems of oppression and building a future where equality is not an aspiration, but a lived reality for all.